Good day everyone. Another lesson, another tutorial for today's video. So listen everybody. So let's talk about storage, media, and location. Okay. So hello. So some people are familiar of this storage. It's called storage. Like this one is example of external hard disk drive. So in short, HDD. A separate portable drive when spinning magnetic disk, large, archival, backup, they give you the most space for your money. So this kind of hard drive is so smooth. I like another smooth. Like you have some big storage, and this kind of hard drive is more than space in your computer, in your system unit, because this is bigger. So let's some example of HDD. So this is one, everyone. So many available gig. What you want you buy, but mine is one gig. So this is 1 TB, equivalent to 1 terabyte. So this is the sample of figure of external hard disk drive, in short HDD. So let's move forward. So this kind of storage, external solid state drive, in short SSD, a separate portable drive that use flash memory like a big USB stick, fast frequent backup. They are quick and more durable, no moving parts. So this kind of hard drive is expensive, small, but so faster than this one HDD, because this upgraded, no? So this is more like if you want to use operating system, you can use that, but for me, I use that for operating system, and this my extra HDD hard drive is for storage, no? Yes. Okay, next for the cloud storage, no? Your data is stored on a giant server maintained by companies like Google, Amazon, etc., and aside via the internet, offsite disaster recovery, and easily access from anywhere. So you like familiar in iCloud. So the iCloud, OneDrive, Google. So this is the very common Google Drive that you have if you have a Gmail account, so that you have a 15 gig free, so that your storage will be safe. So anything will go, but you will open your Gmail account, you will access your files or anything that inside in the drive, no? Yes. So for the local on-site definition, the backup is stored in the same physical building as your primary computer, your disk, your home, your office. So fastest access to store from, vulnerable to local disaster like fire, flood, or if your office burned down, both your computer and your local backup are lost, no? An external HDD plug into your computer or NAS on your home network. So this is our example of to save your file, your use this cloud storage, no? Because this will be saving your file, because you use this Google Drive, you will save your file, no? If you have an like this disasters, flood, fire, no? Okay, that's all for the storage, media, and location. Thank you for watching. Bye.